Did you know? Top 10 advantages to URC's high-definition audio to take your audio experience to the next level. Number 10, the HDA 1600. The HDA 1600 amplifier is the perfect outdoor residential amplifier, with plenty of power and the ability to drive both 70-volt speakers and low-impedance subwoofers at the same time. This amplifier can fill your pool area or outdoor living space with high-definition audio. Number 9. Microphone capabilities. Easily add microphones into an HDA audio system to integrate paging and karaoke into your common living areas. Number 8. Music streamers. URC provides unparalleled choice in music sources, including Spotify, Tidal, Pandora, Amazon Music, Apple Music, and more. Listen to your favorite music streaming platforms in a single control and automation system. Total Control integrates with leading streaming players and amps like Sonos, BlueOS, Autonomic, Wiiam, Juke Audio, Kef, Storm Audio, and more. Number 7. Custom audio cues. From custom horn blasts for sports bars to a dinner bell for your home, utilize custom sound files to be triggered by a variety of events, ranging from simple button or voice activation to scheduled time-based chimes. Number 6. Custom party scenes. Employ residential party modes in the HDA audio system by using the room linking option on Total Control remote controls and touch screens. Your music follows you around the house and outdoors onto the patio. Number 5. Easy integration and sound ducking. URC dealers can seamlessly integrate HDA's audio throughout an installation and lower the music in order to make announcements with automatic sound ducking. Number 4. Dynamic room equalization. Get industry-leading, well-balanced sound in every indoor and outdoor space with HDA's dynamic room equalization. Make your kitchen sound as good as your family room and just as good as your outdoor areas. Number 3. Elevate your entertainment room. Spice up any sports cave, home theater, or party space by combining HDA high-definition audio with your favorite video devices and video streaming services for unparalleled viewing experiences. Number 2. Commercial installation capabilities. URC's HDA isn't just for residential environments. For commercial installations, we have developed user interfaces that provide control for the whole installation from only a few screens with the HDA commercial UI modules. And finally, number 1, smart doorbell integrations. Play customized audio clips or favorite tunes when guests arrive. Total Control has incredible integrations with smart doorbells like Ring. Announce guests like celebrities with HDA's unique audio features. Explore the entire HDA portfolio at www.urc-automation.com.